And some students of civil engineering, some for others, okay? And the students of food science is Polish. So I hope that this thing will not happen the next time, okay?
Yeah.
Just stand for yourself, okay? Just stand for yourself. Do not have others, okay? So here now, let's go on. So here, find the total arguments of the cardioid are equal to 1 plus cosine theta, okay? So here means that we need to find the total, okay? So the total means what? So actually the total means from theta equal to 0 to theta to 2 pi, okay? From 0 to 2 pi. So here we use the formula. We use the formula actually L actually equal to from 0 to 2 pi, okay? From 0 to 2 pi. From 0 to 2 pi, so the square root of f theta square plus f theta prime square, okay? So here f theta is what? Here f theta is 1 plus cosine theta, okay?
Yes.
1 plus cosine theta, so here actually is the definite equivalent of the square root. F theta is 1 plus cosine theta, so here should be 1 plus cosine theta square. The first term, okay? The second term is 1 plus cosine theta prime. So 1 plus cosine theta prime is what?
Actually, it's sin theta.
Yes.
Minus
Sin theta? So sin theta or what?
Actually, sin theta squared will be sin theta. Sin
So
squared.
here 1 plus cosine theta, 1 plus cosine theta prime equal to what?
Actually, it's minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta, yeah?
When you
So
square
here it
it,
should be minus sin theta square, yeah?
Yes.
So d theta, okay? So here this is equal to what? So this is equal to from 0 to 2 pi. So here is 1 square,
sin
1 square plus cosine theta square, then plus 2 cosine theta, yeah? And plus sin theta square, yeah? So here we can see this part, cosine square plus sin square is 1. 1 square plus 1, so it's 2. So here is 2 plus 2 cosine theta, okay? So this part has to be 2 plus 2 cosine theta, okay? So d theta. Okay? So now here 2 plus 2 cosine theta, 2 plus 2 cosine theta should be what? We take out 2, okay? We take out 2, so here should be from 0 to 2 pi. Here should be the square root 2 times the square root 1 plus cosine theta d theta, okay? D theta. So here, square root 2 is a constant, moves through the integral line sign. So here actually the square root 2 from 0 to 2 pi. Here is the square root 1 plus cosine theta, okay? So 1 plus cosine theta, okay? Here we use a formula. We use a formula that we know that cosine 2 theta equal to what? Cosine 2 theta equal to cosine theta square minus sin theta square, yeah?
Yes.
Or equal to what? Equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta square, or equal to 2 cosine theta square minus 1, yeah? So here means what? So here means 1 plus cosine 2 theta equal to what? Equal to 2 cosine theta square, yeah? Here,
Yes.
we plus 2 on both sides. So here means 1 plus cosine 2 theta equal to 2 cosine theta square. So here now, so here we use this formula, so we have 1 plus cosine theta equal to what? So here theta we can write it in, theta we can write it in 1 plus cosine 2 times half theta, yeah?
Yes.
1 plus 2 cosine 2 times half theta. So here equal to what? Here equal to 2 cosine half theta square. Yeah. Here you just replace this 2 theta by theta. Okay. So here 1 plus cosine theta actually equal to 2 times cosine 1/2 theta square. So we use this formula. Okay. So we use this formula. So here actually is the square root 2 cosine 1/2 theta square. So d theta. Okay. D theta.
That's how it is.
So here, so this formula is right, yeah?
Yes.
1 plus cosine 2 theta equal to 2 cosine theta square. Yeah? So here means what? So here is theta, so actually is, for example, here is t, here is t, here is t, yeah? Here is right, yeah? So here means that, okay? So here means, here is 1 plus cosine theta, we can write it in 1 plus cosine 2 times half theta, yeah? So we see this part, 1/2 theta, we see part is in here. So 1 plus cosine 2t, yeah? 1 plus cosine 2t equal to what? 2 cosine t square. So here is 2 cosine t square. T equal to 1/2 theta, so 2 cosine 1/2 theta square. Okay? So here now we can see here is the square root. So the square root, so here is 2, okay? So here square root 2 times square root 2, so here is 2. Here is from 0 to 2 pi, okay? 0 to 2 pi. Cosine half theta square root. So here now we have x square root. Actually is what? X square root.
X.
X. So for example, so minus 2 square root is what?
Minus 2.
It's equal to
Minus 2.
minus.
Minus 2 square root is what? Square minus 2 square is what? Minus 2 square is minus 4? 4, yeah? So here is the square root of 4 is what? 2, yeah? So here means the square root of x square equal to what? X. X? Yes.
Yes.
So here you use this formula. So here the square root of minus 2 square equal to minus 2?
No.
So here should be what? What?
Plus 2.
Absolutely.
Plus minus 2.
Yeah, so here the square root of x cosine square actually is what? It's cosine 1/2 theta absolute value, yeah? So here d theta, yeah?
Now she has
This is gonna be nice.
This is so easy, okay?
Yeah.
No, it's very difficult.
So here's the
I will not.
absolute value of cosine 1/2 theta, d theta, okay? So here 1/2 theta, d theta. So we use the u substitution, okay?
Yes.
We use the u substitution. We let u equal to 1/2 theta. So we let u equal to 1/2 theta. So du d theta equal to what? Du d theta equal to what? 1/2, yeah? So 1/2, so here means what? So here means du equal to 1/2 d theta, or d theta equal to what? We times 2 on both sides. So d theta equal to 2 du, yeah? And now we can see when theta equal to 0, u equal to what? When theta equal to 0, u equal to what? When theta equal to 0, u equal to 0, yeah?
Yes.
And when theta equal to 2 pi, u equal to what?
Pi.
Equal to pi, yeah?
Yes.
So here actually is what? Here actually is 2, here is cosine u absolute value. So d theta equal to 2 du. So here is 2 du. So 2 times 2, so here it should be 4. Okay? Here should be 4. When theta equal to 0, u equal to 0. When theta equal to 2 pi, u equal to pi. So here is equal to here.
Yeah.
Okay? So here now we say that here we have absolute view here. So we need to move it. Okay? Move absolute view sign. Okay? Move absolute view sign. So move absolute view sign. So here it works. So more here cosine u, okay, absolute view. Cosine u absolute view. So now we know that the absolute view x equal to when x greater than or equal to 0 is equal to what? Equal to x, yeah?
Yes.
When x less than 0, minus x, yeah? So here now we need to see cosine u is positive or negative, okay? So positive or negative, so now we plot the graph. Cosine u are from 0 to pi, okay? Here is u, here is cosine u. So cosine u 0, from 0 to pi. So what's the graph? What's the graph? The graph is negative, yeah?
Yeah.
So this point is what? 1/2 pi, yeah? So here means what? Here means from 0 to 1/2 pi, cosine u is positive. And from 1/2 pi to pi, cosine u is negative, yeah? So here we should be divided in 4. Here is from 0 to 1/2 pi, cosine u absolute value du plus, okay, plus 1/2 pi to pi cosine u absolute value du, yeah? So here we can divide it in 0 to 1/2 pi plus 1/2 pi to pi, okay? Here we use what? Here we use this formula, okay? Here is a, here is b, fx dx equal to what? Equal to a to c plus C to B, yeah?
Yes.
We use this formula, okay?
Yes.
So now, in this subinterval, cosine u is positive, yeah? So positive, so absolute value cosine u equal to what? Positive equal to x, yeah? So here means what? So here means this equal to what? So this equal to 4, here is from 0 to 1/2 pi. Here is cosine u du. This is the first part, okay? Plus 1/2 pi to pi. So cosine u in this subinterval, okay? In this subinterval, cosine u is negative. So when x is negative, absolute value x equal to what? Minus x, yeah? So here should be what? Minus, yeah? Here should be minus cosine u, yeah? Du. Yeah?
Yes.
So here now we can see cosine u, what's the antiderivative?
Negative minus.
So antiderivative of cosine u? Minus sine.
No,
Sine.
What?
Sine.
Sine, yeah? So the first is sine u. U is what? U is from 1/2 pi to 0, okay? So here is minus, okay? So here this minus we can, minus 1 we can move it at here, okay? So here minus, here what's cosine u? Cosine u, so the antiderivative is sine u. Here is what? Here is pi, here is 1/2 pi, okay? So this is equal to what? So this is equal to 4 times sine 1/2 pi minus sine 0 minus sine pi minus sine 1/2 pi. Okay? So sine 1/2 pi is what? Sine 1/2 pi is what? Sine 1/2 pi is what? 1, yeah? Say 0.
0.
1 minus 0. So here is 1. Yeah, the first part here is 1. Say pi is what?
Minus 1 minus
0, yeah? So 0, so say half pi is minus 1. So the result is 1 minus 0 minus 0 minus 1. So here is 1 plus 1. So the result is 4 times 2 equal to 8. So actually this here.
This question is nice. This is a good question.
Before I didn't understand one thing. Is from the fourth line.
Why?
Second line from no, this side.
This side.
Upper. Yellow shape last. Yeah, this.
Here is
From here to here, like 1
here to here?
plus cosine theta, 1 plus cosine theta equal to 2 cosine square theta. That one, love shape.
From here to here.
No.
From here to here.
Yes.
From here to here, I just say we have some formula, okay? So we have some formula you should be remember it, okay? You should be remember it. So the first thing is sin square plus cosine square equal to what?
1.
Equal to 1, yeah? And cosine 2 theta equal to what? Cosine 2 theta equal to what? Equal to cosine theta square minus sin theta square, yeah? Or equal to what? 1 minus sin theta square or equal to what? Equal to 2 cosine theta square minus 1, yeah? And the sin 2 theta equal to what? Sin 2 theta equal to what? Sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta equal to what? Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cosine theta. So this, you should remember it, okay? Remember it. So here, from here we can see for here, this one and this one, we plus 1 on both sides. We plus 1 on both sides. So we have what? 1 plus cosine 2 theta equal to what? Equal to 2 cosine theta square, yeah?
Yes.
So here means, of course, we let theta equal to, we replace theta equal to 1/2 t. We replace theta equal to 1/2 t, so we can obtain what? We can obtain 1 plus cosine t equal to what? 2 cosine 1/2 t square. So we just use this formula, okay? We just use this formula, so here, from here to here. Okay? Now we have 23 minutes. This 23 minutes I give you to do exercise, okay? So see page 356. 356. Number 3. Number 3 and number 9, okay? Number 3 and number 9.
That's the question for today now.
Number 3 and number 9, okay? These two, okay?
Yes.
Number 3 and number 9, do it now, okay? Do it now.
Yes.
So I know here, now for the first one, so what's the formula? The formula is what? L equal to what? So here is block coordinates, the first one. First one is block coordinates. Yes. Coordinates is R equal to F theta. Okay. Here is Y equal to Fx. This part square, 2 by 9 by 2 square is 9 by 2, so I say here. Oh. So here, I'm so sorry, or I'm so I think that many of you cannot remember the formula, okay? And some of you actually 9 times 9 equal to 61, 64, or equal to what? So of course you. So tell me how to teach you. Yeah? So 9 times 9 equal to 61. So I think that you should remember it, okay? You should remember it. So the first one here, what's the formula? So the first step, you need to remember the formula, okay? So here, L equal to what? So definitely equal from 0 to 1, yeah? From 0 to 1, the square root 1 plus what? 1 plus y f prime square, yeah? This is the formula, yeah? So here f is what? F is this function, yeah? So f, here fx equal to 3x 3 by 2 power minus 1. So f prime equal to what? So f prime is what? It's 3 times 3 by 2 x 3 by 2 minus 1 power, yeah? So here is what? 3 times 3 by 2, here is 9 by 2, yeah? X 1/2 power, yeah?
Yes.
So this part square, okay? So here equal to what? From 0 to 1, the square root 1 plus 9 by 2 x half square dx, yeah?
Yes.
So here is the square root 1, here is 1 plus 9 by 2 square is what? 9 square by 2 square, 81 by 4, yeah? X half power square, x, yeah? So dx, yeah? So how to find this definitely equal now? U substitution, yeah? So let U equal to what? Let U equal to 1 plus 81 by 4x, yeah? So from here we have du dx equal to what? Du dx equal to 81 by 4, yeah? So from here we have du equal to 81 by 4 dx, yeah? Or we have dx equal to what? 4 by 81 du, yeah? So from here, where x equal to 0, u equal to what? X equal to 0, u equal to what? 1, yeah? When x equal to 1, u equal to what? When x equal to 1, u equal to what? 1 plus 81 by 4, yeah? So it's what? 85 by 4, yeah? So here equal to what? So here equal to 1 to 85 by 4, okay? 81 by 4, so square root u dx equal to here 4 times 4 by 81 du, okay? So here just here. So this equal to what? So 4 by 81 is a constant moves through. So 4 by 81 here. So here is 185 by 4. Here square root u is u what power? What power? 1/2 power du, yeah? So what's the antiderivative of u 1/2 power? So here is 4 by 81. Here is what? U 1/2 power plus 1 by 1/2 power plus 1. Evaluate at 85 by 4 minus 1. Yeah? So I think it's easy, okay? Easy. So for the second, okay? For the second, here, use which formula? So here,
For the parameter.
the L equal to what? The definite integral from 0 to 1, yeah? So the square root of dx dt square, yeah? Plus dy dt square, yeah?
Yes.
So here should be dt dx dt square plus dy dt square, yeah? So dt, yeah? So here, from 0 to 1 square root dx dt is what? Dx dt
Is t squared.
t square, yeah? So t square square, so t to the fourth power, yeah? And the d here dy, y equal to 1/2 t square, so dy dt is what?
T.
T, yeah? So plus t square dt, yeah?
Yes.
So here this part, okay, just with t fourth power plus t square, we can take out t square. So t square here is 1 plus t square, okay? So here actually is what? It's from 0 to 1. Here is square root t, because t is from 0 to 1, so t is positive, okay? Positive, so here the square root of t square actually is t times the square root of 1 plus t square dt, yeah? So how to find this formula, this definite integral? U substitution, that u equal to what?
1 plus.
U equal to 1 plus square, yeah? So here, from here, we let u equal to 1 plus t square. So du dt equal to what? Du dt equal to 2t, yeah?
Yes.
So here means du equal to 2t dt or dt equal to 1 by 2t du, yeah? So here means here equal to, here is the t, here is the square root, 1 plus t square is u. So dt is 1 by 2t du. So and when t equal to 0, u equal to what? 2 equal to 0, u equal to what?
1.
U equal to 1, yeah? And when t equal to 1, u equal to what?
2.
2, yeah? So here is 2, here is t, so cancel. So here is 1 by 2 move out. So the result actually is 1 by 2 half from 1 to 2, okay? So u 1/2 power du, yeah?
Yes.
So u 1/2 power, actually here is 1/2 power, here is u 1/2 power plus 1 by 2, here is from evaluated at 2 minus evaluated at 1. So you compute it, okay? So I think it's easy. So now I tell you, okay, everyone listen to me, okay? I will test the arguments in the examination, okay? I will test the arguments in the examination. I hope that you can remember the formula, okay?
Yes.
Remember the formula? So here now, we just have 1 minute, okay? We just have 1 minute. I give you a summary, okay? I give you a summary here. For example, here, y equal to fx from A to B, okay? So the length, the area, the left side area, and the volume of revolution about x-axis, and the volume of the solid revolution about y-axis, okay? So here the first is the arguments, okay? So here I give you a summary. So I hope that you can take notes, okay? Take notes this part. Here, the first is the arguments, okay? The arguments is fx and f prime x. These two functions we need to continuous, okay? So continuous are closed interval AB. The closed interval AB. So we have the length, okay? The length L actually equal to the definite integral of square root 1 plus f prime x square dx from A to B. Okay, so this is the first, the arguments. Okay, the arguments. The second is the net side area. The net side area. Okay, so the net side area is we need fx is continuous. Fx is continuous on the closed interval AB. On the closed interval AB, then we have the net side area A equal to what? A equal to the definite integral of fx from A to B. Okay? This is the second, the net side area. The third is the volume of the solid of revolution about x-axis. Okay, about x-axis. So here we denote it by Vx. Okay, Vx means revolution about x-axis. So this is equal to what? This is equal to the definite integral of what? Here is pi fx square dx. Okay, pi fx square dx from what? From A to B. Okay, from A to B. So here is the revolution about the x-axis. So and the revolution, the volume of the solid, of revolution about the y-axis. About the y-axis. Okay. So here is Vy. Okay, Vy means the revolution about the y-axis. So here is means the revolution about the y-axis. Okay, about the y-axis. Here is Vy equal to 2 pi x fx dx. Okay, 2 pi x fx dx from A to B. Okay, from A to B. So these four formula, okay, I hope you can remember it, okay. So maybe I will give you a problem in the examination. I give you a curve, and I need you to compute the arguments, the net side area, and the volume of the solid of revolution about the x-axis and about the y-axis. Maybe the problem will be 40 marks. Okay? 40 marks. Here 10 marks, here 10 marks, here 10 marks, here 10 marks.
This is too much.
So I tell you, okay, maybe.
Maybe their participant grade
40 marks, okay?
80.
40 marks. Here 10 marks. 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks, okay?
Now she's 60 at least.
So at least you just need to solve this problem, yeah?
Yes.
See, there are 4 problems now. They are big.
So to remember it, okay? So remember the 4 formula, okay?
Yes.
Now she's 60 marks now.
The class is over. Thank you.
अब 60 मार्क लिया लगता तुम्हारे बॉय पे আমার নিজের গাড়িটা মার বই না ভুলে গেলাম না